shocked the luxury world, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado. This isn't just another luxury car. This is America's answer to Rolls-Royce and Bentley. And it's here to prove that the USA can build a true ultra-luxury masterpiece. If you thought European brands were untouchable, you're about to change your mind. Because the Eldorado isn't just competing, it's dominating. From the moment you see it, you can tell this car is different. The design is bold, aggressive, and absolutely confident. The front end looks like a modern fortress, with a massive grille that screams power. The long hood, the sharp lines, the smooth fastback rear, everything about this car says luxury, but in a way that feels uniquely American. It's not trying to be subtle, it's saying, I'm the boss. And that presence alone makes the Eldorado feel like a true flagship, but the real story is inside the cabin. Cadillac has gone all in with a level of luxury that rivals the best in the world. The interior feels like a private jet. The materials are premium, with full leather seats, real wood accents, and brushed metal details that catch the light perfectly. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved OLED display that stretches across the front, giving the cockpit a futuristic high-tech vibe. Every surface feels meticulously crafted, and the attention to detail is insane. It's the kind of interior where you sit down and immediately feel like you're in something special. The seats are another highlight. Cadillac didn't just make them comfortable, they made them feel like a throne. The front seats are plush, supportive, and packed with adjustments. The rear seats are even more impressive. The legroom is massive, the ride is incredibly smooth, and the cabin is so quiet it feels like you're floating. This is the kind of car where you could take a long road trip and feel completely refreshed at the end. That's the level of luxury we're talking about here. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the Eldorado becomes a true threat to Rolls-Royce and Bentley. Under the hood, Cadillac has equipped the Eldorado with a powerful engine that delivers insane acceleration, but it does it with surprising smoothness. The ride quality is refined, with adaptive suspension that absorbs bumps effortlessly. Yet, when you push it, the Eldorado handles with confidence and control. It's a perfect blend of power and comfort, which is exactly what you want in a luxury flagship. But the real game changer is the value. Cadillac is offering a car that delivers a similar level of luxury and technology as a Rolls-Royce or Bentley, but at a price that is significantly more attainable. That's why the Eldorado is not just a luxury car, it's a luxury disruptor. It's proving that you don't need to pay an insane price to get a world-class luxury experience. And let's be honest, the Eldorado has something that many European brands lack, a bold identity. It doesn't feel like it's trying to imitate anyone. It feels like Cadillac is saying, we're not just building luxury cars, we're building a new standard. And that confidence is exactly what makes this car so exciting. So, is the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado the new king of luxury? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing is clear. It's sending a powerful message. America finally did it. Cadillac built a luxury car that can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world. And if this is the future of American luxury, then the world better be ready. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, would you choose the Eldorado over a Rolls-Royce or